Yo guys, welcome to Chris Moon Vlogs guys. So today we are gonna wash both the Subaru and the Escort. So yeah, let's get going. We're gonna spray down the Subaru on the way to school so it's all clean and shiny, and the Escort we're gonna wash down here after school. See you guys there. Alright guys, I used the change machine to get me some quarters because I had none in my car. See? They're just nickels. Nice beads. It's clean. It rained on it last night and just half of it was dirty, half of it was cold. It's still warm in here though. Good morning, America. Time to go to school. See you guys then. Alrighty guys, so I got you set up on the Subaru. But for clarification, we aren't using the stuff I normally would use on the Escort, which is that. We're using my expensive icy wax stuff here. This stuff makes it bead for a long time, so I figured that the Escort deserves some love. So yeah, still dripping soap. We're gonna not use that though. We're gonna use the towel. A new toweler, so that's gonna be legit. And no, I don't use 2 buckets, I use 1. Fill it up as much as you want water, and then you put the soap in because it suds crazy fast. That's good for water. You know, we got all this thickness. We'll probably use almost all that. Just quite a bit. Leave a good thick layer on her. Mix her up. Now spray her up. See? Suds immediately. Oh, you can't see that. Suds. Alright, now spray off. Look at this front bumper. It is nasty. I'm sorry for the wind noise. That is nasty. I haven't let this sucker get that nasty in a while. Didn't even know it was getting nasty. Ugh. Nasty. Alright, I'm gonna wash this sucker around now. Hold on, time lapse mode. I'm gonna show you how that's not beaded. Okay, I'm gonna kind of show you this. Not beaded. That don't bead. That just runs off basically, which it's not too bad. Okay. Just do like half the hood, I guess. So yeah. And I also want to know if you guys like the Escort, because some of you guys say no. You'd rather just do the Subaru, and I don't know. Okay, so that's on there. Let's see if it beads up immediately. Hopefully it does. May take a couple layers. It is a little bit, but I think it needs to get more layers on it first. Anyways, she is getting shinier, but I'm going to finish this up on time-lapse mode, and then we'll see if I can get it to bead. But it will be like the Subaru once we get done. So, yo guys, before this I really didn't know how bad the Escort needed cleaned, and I didn't even think about it. Been cleaning the Subaru, but the Escort hasn't been cleaned in a while. Didn't think about it, just, I don't know. But it looks a lot better, and let me show you. She is shining up like a diamond. I probably can see my reflection in it. Yeah, basically, yeah. Probably not on camera, but she is clean and shiny from this stuff. Shining up like crazy. Escort GT, Woo! Shiny. Woo, baby. Get me a picture for the ram. Alrighty, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna quickly edit this so it'll be out on Monday. And yeah, we're gonna try to do Monday and Friday. And if that all works out, we'll try to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Try to get as many as possible. But I only have like 1 or 2 days off a week, so we'll see. Because I work at least 5 days a week. Anyways, guys, so that's it. But of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday. Cause remember, bro. Peace out.